Good morning, my student. Today I will talk about percentage. So, in this chapter, we will learn about percentage and conversion of a given fraction or decimal into percentage, and vice versa. We will also learn how to express smaller unit as percentage of larger units, how to express one quantity as a percentage of the other, how to find percentage of a given quantity, how to find a number from a given percentage of the number, and how to find increase or decrease in percentage. So let's see how to solve this problem regarding these chapters and how to better way we understand the percentage. Understanding percentage. Suppose Sagar obtained 92 marks out of 100 in English. Then we say that he has obtained 92 percentage marks in English. Similarly, if there is a box containing 100 electric bulbs, out of which 10 bulbs are defective, we say that 10% of the bulbs in the box are defective. Thus, percentage means per 100. We abbreviate percent by PC and denoted it is by the symbol percentage. Thus, 60% will be written as 60%. The sign is here. If Mr. Ratan saved 20% of his income, we say that he saved rupees 20 out of every 100 rupees he earns. 100 part out of 100 equal part. Each part is known as its 100th part. Thus, 8 by 100 is equal to 800th. 11 by 100 is equal to 1100th. Hello, my dear student. Here I explain about to convert a fraction into a percentage, right? So what rule that we followed here? In order to convert a fraction into a percentage, multiplying the fraction by 100 and put the percentage sign, right? So example number 1, convert each of the following fraction into a percentage, right? So example number 1 here. How to solve this? First one is given, number 1 solution 33 by 100, right? So we can write here 33 by 100 into 100 percentage here. So it will become 33 percentage, right? Number 2 here. Number 2, 3 by 4. Same way that we solve this problem. 3 by 4 into 100, right? Percentage. So it will comes became this one 25. So we write here 75 percentage, right student? Now next third number 11 by 40. Okay, so same way that we solve this problem, 11 by 40 into 100 percentage, right? Now this 0 will cut from each other. Okay, now this one became it will comes 50, this one 5 and 2, so 55 by 2 percentage. That mean 27 half percentage, 27 whole and half percentage. Okay, I hope you understood. Now dear student, here we explain to convert a percentage into a fraction. Rule that we followed here, to convert a percentage into a fraction, we divide it by 100 and remove the sign percentage. Right, here given some example that we solve here. Example number 2. Example number 2 here said convert each of the following into a fraction. First one we have 35 percentage is equal to, right here 35 by 100. Now cut this one 7 and this one 5, 20. Okay, so fraction it will become 7 by 20. Okay, this one answered. Number 1 problem solved. Number 2 here given we have 55 percentage. That means we write 55 by 100. This one 11, this one 20. So we write here 11 by 20. This is the answer, right? Now number 3 problem is here. 3 problem 140 percentage. That means it will comes 140 by 100. 0 cancel. This one 5 and this one 7. That means 7 by 5. 7 by 5. These are the answer that we solve here. I hope you understand. Now, my dear student, here I am going to explain that percentage as a ratio. A percentage can be expressed as a ratio with its second term 100 and first term equal to the given percentage. Right, here example number 3 that we solve the problem express each of the following as a ratio. So first one given 17 percentage. So first one the solution 17 percentage, that we write like this way 17 by 100. The ratio from write 17 is to 100, right? Number 2 here 72, we have 72, so we write 72 by 100, right? So this will be cut, this one 34, 4, 18 and 4, 25, right? So it will comes become 18 by 25. That means 18 is to 25. This one answer, right? Now number 3 we have 225 percentage. That means we write 225 by 100. It will cut by 25, so it will become 9 by 4. The ratio will be 9 is to 4. These are the answer regarding this problem. I hope you clearly understand, my dear student. Now here I explain to convert a given ratio into a percentage. The rule is given here. First convert the given ratio into fraction and then multiplying the fraction by 100 and put the percentage sign, right? Now example number 4 here given convert each of the following ratios into a percentage, right? So we have first one we have 14 is to 25, right? So we write here 14 by 25, right? Now this one will be become 14 by 25 into 100, right? And percentage here. So this will become 4 and this one 56 percentage. This is the answer that we solved. Number 2 here given 5 is to 6. We write this one 5 by 6. That means 5 by 6 into 100 percentage. Now it will become 250 is 250 by 3 percentage. or we can write this one 83 1/3 percentage. Right, this is the answer. Now another word is given here, number 3. Number 3, we write here 8:5 we have, right? So we write here 8/5 is equal to 8/5 into 100 percentage is equal to this one became 20. That means it will become 2016 160 percentage. Okay, 160 percentage is the answer this problem. So this is the answer regarding this problem. I hope you clearly understand. Let's to be continued. Here my dear student, I am going to discuss to convert a given percentage in decimal form. Okay, rule that we should follow: first convert the given percentage into fraction and then put the fraction into decimal form. Example number 5, that here given some example like convert each of the following into a decimal fraction. Number 1, 36 percentage we have. So we have number 1, 36 percentage. We can write this one 36/100. How many zero is there? 1 and 2. So the decimal point move backward in 2 decimal point. So we write there 0.36. This is the answer, right? Number 2, same way we have 0.25 percentage. That means we write 0.25/100. It also became how many zero? That means it will become 0.0025, right? This is the answer. Number 3, we have 135 percentage. That means we write here 135/100. It will come 1.35, right? 1.35. This is the answer regarding this problem. I hope you understood. Now my dear student, here another problem that we solved to convert a given decimal into a percentage. Rule here same way we followed: multiply the given decimal by 100 and put the percentage sign. Okay, so same way write this. Problem number 1, we have number 1, 0.8. We can write this one 8/10, or we write here 8/10 into 100, right? This is the percentage. Now 0 cancel, it will become 80 percentage, right? Number 2, we have 0.36 is equal to 36/100. That we write 36/100 into 100 percentage. That means it will become 36 percentage, right? Another is given here, number 3, 0.04 is equal to 4/100 is equal to 4/100 into 100 percentage. That means answer will be become 4 percentage. 100 cancel here. I hope you clearly understood, right student? Let's see now solve the another problem regarding these chapters. So keep touch with me. Now dear student, here we try to understand this chapter regarding some given problem. It is the better way that we understand these chapters, right? So here given, find number 1, 8% of 125. So we have given here number 1, 8% of 125. So how to solve this problem? So easy that you solve this problem. Here we write 8 by 100 into, of means into here 125, right? Now this will become 4 and this will become 5 and this will become 2. So it will come 10. This is the answer. Now number 2 is given here 0.25 percentage of 16. That means we write here 0.25 by 100 into 16, right? Now we solve this problem. It will become 25 by 100 into 100. That means 100, this one, that means 1 4 not 0, okay, into 16. It will become 1 by 4, 1 by 25, 1 by 25, right? That means it will become 0.04. This is the answer, right? Hope you clearly understand, right student? Okay my dear student, here I come to solve the problem number 8. Find a number whose 8% is 6, right? That means we find the unknown number whose 8% is 6. So the solution, let the required number be x, right? Now according to question, then we write then 8% of x is equal to 6, or we can write 8 by 100 into x is equal to 6, or 8x is equal to 6 into 100, or x is equal to 6 into 100 divided by 8, right? That means it will become this one 4, this one 3, this one 25. That means therefore x is equal to 75, right? Hence the required number, hence the required number is 75. This is the answer, right? Hope you clearly understand. Now my dear student, I bring another problem. Problem number 9. Here given 9% of rupees 700. Okay, so how to solve this one? So we have number 1, 9% of rupees 700, right? So here we write this one rupees 9 by 100 into rupees 700. So 0 cancel here, so it will become rupees 63, right? Number 2 problem, we have 7.5% 7.5% of 80 kg. 80 kg, right? So here we have write 7.5 by 100 into 80 kg, right, is equal to, we can solve this one, 75 by 1000 into 80. Okay, this one kg, 0 cancel, it will become this one 2 and this one 4 and this one became this one 5 means this one 0 cancel, 2 is there. Okay, so it will become 2 is there, so 1 cut here, 100, that means here 20. Okay, now this will become comes 6 kg, right? This one comes 6 kg. Okay, this one 1000 and this one 80. Okay, now 0 cancel here. Okay, now this one 4 and this one 50, right? This one 50 and this one 2 and this one 25 and this one became 3. So 3 to the 6. So 6 kg is the answer regarding this problem. I hope you clearly understand. Okay, now dear student, here we solve the another problem number 10. So problem is given here, what percentage of 400 gram is equal to 10% of 1 kg, right? So the solution here, let the required percentage be x, right? Now according to question we can write x% of 400 gram is equal to 10% of 1 kg, right? 10% of 1 kg. Now here, or we write this one, x by 100 into 400 gram is equal to 10 by 100 into 1, it will become convert to gram, 1000 gram. Gram cancel both side, right? So we write here 4x is equal to 100. 4x is equal to 100 or x is equal to 25, right student? Now thus we write 25% of 400 gram is equal to 10% of 1 kg, right? This is the answer. I hope you clearly understand. Now my dear student, another problem number 11 regarding this percentage chapter. Here Anil scored 25 marks out of 600 and failed in an examination by 18 marks. Find the passing percentage and marks, right? So student, my suggestion, you read this math twice in a time. Okay, then you solve this math. So I try to solve this math. Here solution is marks scored by Anil, marks scored by Anil is equal to 25% of 600. Right? This one given. That we solve and we get this one 25 by 100 into 600. 0 cancel here. It will become 150. Right? But he failed by 18 marks. Right? Marks. Therefore passing marks will be 150 plus 18. Right? That means it will become 168. Right? Now passing percentage. Now we find out passing percentage. This one passing percentage is equal to 168 by 600 into 100 percentage. Right? It will become, this will come 2 and 8, so 28 percentage. Right? I hope student you clearly understand. So let's try solve the another problem regarding these chapters. Now dear student, here another problem number 12. Here given Kiran's income is 25% less than that of Rama's. How much percent is Rama's income more than that of Kiran's? Right, student? So let's solve the problem. First of all, let Rama's income be rupees 100. Right? Therefore, or since Kiran's income is 25% less than that of Rama's income. Right? So if therefore Kiran's income became rupees 75. Right? If Kiran's income is equal to rupees 75, then Rama's income became rupees 100 by 75. Right? If Kiran's income is rupees 1, then Rama's income will become Rama's income will became 100 by 75 into 100. That means it will become 400 by 3 rupees. Right, student? So we can write, so therefore Rama's income is 400 by 3 minus 100 percentage. That mean it will become 33 1 by 3 percentage more than Kiran's income. Okay, I hope student you clearly understand. Okay, now my dear student, here the another problem number 13 regarding this chapter percentage. The problem is given here, an alloy contain 32% copper, 40% zinc and the rest nickel. Find the grams, the quantity of each of the content in 1 kg of alloy. Right, student? So this is the very easy math that we solve here. Here the total quantity of alloy is equal to 1000 gram. Here 1 kg is given, 1 kg, that means 1000 gram, right? Now the quantity of copper in it, quantity of copper in it is equal to, we can write 32% of 1000 gram. It will become 320 gram, right? Now quantity of zinc in it 40 is equal to 40% of 1000 gram. That means it will become 400 gram, right? The quantity of nickel in it, therefore the quantity of nickel in it, we can write this one is equal to 1000 gram minus 320 plus 400 gram, right? This one, it will become 1000 gram minus 720 gram. That means it will become 280 gram. Okay, hence the quantity of nickel is 280 gram. This is the solution regarding this problem. Hope you clearly understand. Good morning, dear student. Here another problem number 14 regarding this percentage chapters. The problem is here, the value of a machine depreciates 5% every year. If the present value of the machine is rupees 1 lakh, what will be its value after 2 years? Right. So problem is here. The solution regarding this problem, let us find the solution. The present value solution is the present value of the machine is equal to rupees 1 lakh. Right. Now the decrease in its value after 1 year, the decrease in its value after 1 year, after 1 year, we can write is equal to 5% of rupees 1 lakh. Right. That means it will become 5 by 100 into 1 lakh. Right. 0 cancel. It will become rupees 5,000. Right. Now the depreciated value after 1 year, became rupees 1 lakh minus 5,000. It will become now subtract this one. This one will be 95,000. Right. 95,000. Right. So the decrease in its value after 2 years, 5% of rupees 95,000. That means it will become rupees 5 by 100 into 95,000. 0 cancel. It will become rupees 4,750. Right. So the depreciated value after 2 years, 95,000 minus 4,750 rupees. Right. That means it will become rupees 90,250. Right. So hence the solution, the value of the machine after 2 years became became or will be rupees 90,250. This is the answer. Hope you clearly understand. My dear student, here the problem number 15 regarding this chapter percentage. Right. So problem is here, a number when decreased by 17% becomes 531.2. Find the original number. Okay student. So let's find the solution. Right. The problem is here given. Now solution, let the original number be x. Now according to question, here we write x minus 70% of x is equal to 531.2, right? Or x minus 17x by 100 is equal to 531.2, or 83x by 100 is equal to 531.2, right? Now or we write this one 83x is equal to 531.2 into 100, or x is equal to 531.2 into 100 divided by 83, right? So we solve this problem, then we get, therefore x is equal to 640. This is the answer. Okay, I hope student you clearly understand. So student, please subscribe my channel, share this math with your friend. It is help to your friend, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Hope you enjoy this class. Thank you for watching my video.